Hello and welcome to biology. Today we're going to look at the structure of bones in the skeleton. In your skeleton you will find long bones like the femur or the thigh bone, and you will find flat bones like your shoulder blade or the hip bones in your pelvis. They have of course different functions and therefore they are differently built. In your skeleton you will find two main types of tissue. First of all, the cartilage. Cartilage, for example, in your ear or in the tip of your nose, it is flexible, it's firm yet flexible, and the cells, as you can see in here, and you can see the extracellular material between the cells. And of course we have the other one, that is bone. We can see a long bone here, we see the spongy bone, and we see the compact bone, spongy bone. So a bone is not completely filled, no, it is hollow, therefore it is lightweight but very strong. Also it contains blood vessels also on the inside, because bone is living tissue, so it needs oxygen and food. And furthermore we can see the epiphyseal line, that is where the bones grow in length. And inside we will find bone marrow, a place where your blood cells are being formed. If we do a cross-section of a bone, we can see those circles with a canal in the middle, and we also find the cells here, and between the cells, so we see the cells, between the cells we find the extracellular material. The extracellular material in bones is actually consisting of two things: calcium phosphate, which makes it strong, and collagen, which makes it a bit flexible. Otherwise your bones will break very quickly. Let's have a close look at that. Composition of bones. The bone consists of two things: calcium phosphate and collagen. Calcium phosphate, just like a crayon, is quite strong, but when you want to bend it, it breaks. And collagen is just like an eraser. When you bend it, it actually bends quite easily. But strong? No. A bone consists of both, making it strong but also a bit flexible. When you put it in acid, the calcium phosphate dissolves and only the collagen remains, and the bone is like a rubber band. Can you also remove the collagen? Yes, you can. Two ways. Here we use boiling lye. The collagen also disappears if you hold a bone in a flame. Now when you want to bend it, it breaks quite easily, just like a crayon. Changes in bone tissue. When you were born you had more bones than you have now, because some of the bones have fused together. When you were born you had like fontanelles, that is cartilage between the bones of the skull. After a year and a half this cartilage is gone and the bones have fused together to be actually one big bone. But there are more bones in your body that have fused together to become one bone. For example, the coccyx. In a baby, bones consist mainly of cartilage or collagen, which makes them so flexible. Over the years, this cartilage or collagen disappears and you get more and more calcium phosphate, which makes the bones more brittle, and therefore elderly people break bones more easily. For example, in this picture you can see a hip that has been broken. Sometimes elderly people, when they fall, they break a hip. It's very common in elderly people. Do children ever break a bone? The answer is yes, but hardly ever is a complete fracture. Most of the time it's a green stick fracture. More on fractures in the paragraph about injuries, so more on green stick fractures as well. So what did we learn today? We have looked at cartilage. Cartilage is a part of your skeleton. It's firm yet flexible like your ear. And of course we have bone tissue consisting of cells, and extracellular material consisting of calcium phosphate and collagen, and we have seen that over the years your bone structure will change. Less collagen, more calcium phosphate. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you some other time. Bye.